Hello guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can join our live online classes. Okay, and we're using the Google Meet. Students are asking, oh, how do I join, how is it about? And I'm also doing this video for our students also. Okay, it's a tutorial video. All right, so this is the paid group. Okay, we have a free WhatsApp group. You can also join that. For the paid groups, we're going to be sharing the links here. All right, so all you need to do is click on the link of your class. Okay, so you have English 6 to 7 p.m. Then you can see we have maths, then we have chemistry and government, all right, the same time. So whichever is your class at that time, you click on the link. Okay, so English, everybody does English, so you click here. All right, you click on the email you want to use to join. Okay, then you click not now. All right, please do make sure you close this, close your camera. Why do I say that? All right, so because of internet, so your internet is not slow, close your camera and please mute yourself. Please, it's a good housekeeping rule. Mute yourself so whichever noise is in your background when you are entering the class, it doesn't affect other students. Okay, when you do that, close the microphone, close your mic. All right, and all you need to do is just join. Okay, and when you join, you're going to see your classmates. All right, you would see your classmates. Okay, there was someone there. All right, but it's not yet time for classes. Our classes are from 6 to 9 p.m. You will see your classmate, you will see your teacher teaching. Okay, if you want to ask a question, come here, click, raise your hands, and your teacher will call on you, and and you ask your question. Okay, and when he has answered you, just click this to drop your hands. All right, so and sorry, if you want to speak, also come here, click here, to unmute. And when you speak, your teacher and others will be able to listen. This is someone joining. Okay. I wish I could tell her to stop, but I'm sure she's also testing the app. All right. So this is how to check. All right. Okay, so this is how you check. Sorry about that. She's also testing. Today is our first day of our classes, 1st of November. So we've shared the link, and by 6 p.m. we're starting classes. I have promised to share the links on our various groups, Facebook groups, WhatsApp group. I would also be creating a Telegram group soon. So I've promised to share that for free. So you see how the classes are. All right, we started this year, 2024 JAMB. We had over 4 students or 5 students who scored 300 and above. Okay, and you have 290, 280 various testimonies, so you can learn online. And the best part is the videos are recorded, so if your battery is flat or internet problem, you're having internet problem, your battery is flat, we record these videos. All right, and we share them on our Google Classroom. I would also do a video to show you how to navigate the Google Classroom. Okay, and it costs 7,000 naira per month. 7,000 naira, only 7,000 naira per month to attend our classes online. All right, so this is how you join the DTW online live classes on Google Meet. So don't forget also to download the Google Meet app. That's going to help you on Google Play Store. All right, so thank you and see you in class. You are destined to win. And don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. You are destined to win. Join us at least for this. I'm going to be sharing free links today, Monday and Tuesday. I think like 3 days I'll share the links freely for you to join the classes, so you kickstart your study. Please join. I beg you, don't wait till January, and you'll be so tensed up in January, I'm telling you. Okay, that it might not be able to make you read. Join classes today. All right, and you are joining the best online JAMB classes, wire classes in Nigeria. All right, take care. You are destined to win. Bye. See you in our next video.